Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and I've had people ask me about the labels that we use. And the big question is, do they stick? And the other one is, do they come off easy? And so the label that we use is from a company called Able Label. I'll include a contact info for them in the description. And the label is made out of vinyl. And so when you peel it off, it's very strong. And then I'm not sure what adhesive we got on, but they come off, they stick on really good, but they come off fairly easy. So let me show you that. So I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me here. I got my left hand and my foot holding it. So here's the label coming off, and it peels right off. You can re-stick it even, sticks really good. You peel up the corner and it comes right off. Now, how strong is it? If I had it in two hands, I could show you that I can't rip it. So I'll pull it off here. I'm holding it down with this shelf, and we're gonna peel it off. And it will not come off. I am pulling it there. And so it's a vinyl label. It's very, very strong. The adhesive is just right. It sticks really, really good to melamine. Comes off in one nice, easy tear, one-handed. Got lots of good information on there. We use Cabinet Vision for it, so you can modify that information. But the contact for this is in the description, Able Label, and I'll give you the part number and everything. Please take a second and like and subscribe to this channel so you can get further updates on this closet. If you have needs for closet organizers, garage cabinets, home offices, or Murphy wall beds, click on the link in the description to take you to our website, and we'd be glad to take care of you.